Hello everyone. In previous lecture we had discussed different Atterberg indices, volumetric shrinkage, then shrinkage ratio. Also we had solved some problem based on these formulas. In this lecture again we are going to solve more problems based on some formulas. So let us discuss question number 3. The consistency limits of a soil sample are LL equal to 52%, that means liquid limit, PL equal to 32%, SL equal to 17%. If the specimen of the soil shrinks from a volume of 10 cm³ at liquid limit to 6.01 cm³ at the shrinkage limit, calculate specific gravity of soil solid. So this is our question. So first step is to find out the given data from the given question. So WL liquid limit or LL equal to 52%, we convert it into decimal, this is 0.52. WP plastic limit or PL equal to 32%, 0.32. Shrinkage limit WS or SL equal to 17%, this is 0.17. Then two volumes are given here. One is at liquid limit or initial, this is 10 cm³, we consider it as a V1 10 cm³, and another one is 6.01 cm³ after shrinkage or at shrinkage limit, so we consider it as V2 or VD dry. Its volume decreases or after shrink its volume decreases, this is 6.01 cm³, and here we have to find out the specific gravity of soil solid. Its notation is G equal to question mark. So let us calculate. We know shrinkage limit WS equal to, we know the formula, rho W by rho D minus 1 by Z, or implies here we have to find out Z, so that we bring this 1 by Z to the left side. 1 by Z equal to rho W by rho D minus WS. Again Z equal to, we reverse it, 1 by rho W by rho D minus WS. So here rho W value we know, but rho D value is not given in the question. Also WS, see here WS value is given, so we have to find out rho D value. So again we know SR, shrinkage ratio SR equal to rho D by rho W, or implies rho D equal to SR into rho W. Again SR is unknown, so again we have to find out SR. So here SR equal to, we know the formula, V1 minus VD by VD into 100 whole divided by WL minus WS, liquid limit minus shrinkage limit. So all these values are known to us. V1 we know 10, VD 6.01 divided by 6.01 into 100 whole divided by liquid limit 0.52 minus 0.17. So our answer is this much, 1.89. This is our answer, 1.89. So again actually we have to find out the rho D. So rho D equal to SR into rho W, 1.89 into 1 gram per cm³, we know this value is fixed, so our answer is 1.89 gram per cm³. We got the value of rho D, but actually we have to find out the G value. So here we put the values, then finally we got the answer, this is 2.78. Another question, question number 5. Determine the flow index from the following test data. Here we have to find out the flow index. Here it is given number of blows 38, for number of blows 38, water content is 0.16. Again for number of blows 20, water content is 0.2. This much given. From the given data we have to find out flow index. So the given data, W1 equal to 0.16, W2 equal to 0.2, N1 number of blows, N1 equal to 38, N2 equal to 20. These are given. We have to find out flow index, that means IF. Here we put the formula directly, IF equal to W1 minus W2 whole divided by log base 10 N2 by N1. So all the values are given. 0.16 minus 0.2 divided by log base 10 into 20 by 38. So the answer is 0.143. Here we have to multiply 100 with it. Then 14.3%. This is our answer. So this is the summary. Now we are going to discuss the total summary of this chapter 3. 1. Water content by oven drying method. This is W equal to, M2 minus M3 by M3 minus M1 into 100. Water content by pycnometer method. W equal to M2 minus M1 by M3 minus M4 into G minus 1 by G whole minus 1 into 100. Specific gravity for pycnometer method or by pycnometer method. G equal to M2 minus M1 by M2 minus M1 minus M3 minus M4, or we can also write MS by MS minus M3 minus M4. For coarse grain soil, we know particle size are 3 types: D10, D30 and D60. Uniformity coefficient, this is Cu equal to D60 by D10. Coefficient of curvature Cc equal to D30 square by D10 into D60. Then plasticity index, Ip equal to WL minus WP. Liquidity index, IL equal to W minus WP by IP. Consistency index or relative consistency, IC equal to WL minus W by IP. Toughness index, we know IT equal to IP by IF, already discussed. Then next, flow index, IF equal to W1 minus W2 by log base 10 N2 by N1. The next, volumetric index or volumetric shrinkage, this is Vs equal to V1 minus Vd by Vd into 100. The next, shrinkage ratio, SR equal to rho d by rho w. This is volumetric shrinkage, Vs. Or SR equal to V1 minus V2 by Vd into 100 whole divided by W1 minus W2, or SR equal to rho d by rho w for dry shrinkage. SR equal to V1 minus Vd by Vd into 100 whole divided by WL minus Ws. The next, shrinkage limit when specific gravity is given. Ws equal to rho w by rho d minus 1 by z into 100, or Ws equal to E by z. Next, relation between mass specific gravity and specific gravity of soil solid. Gm equal to G plus E by 1 plus E. Next, discuss a problem. The mass specific gravity of a fully saturated specimen of clay having a water content of W equal to 36% in 1.86, and oven drying, the mass specific gravity drops to 1.72. Calculate the specific gravity of clay and its shrinkage limit. So this is our question. So given data, W is given, water content 36%, this is 0.36. Mass specific gravity Gm equal to 1.86, it is given here. For fully saturated soil it is given, so SR equal to 1. Then again, and oven drying, the mass specific gravity, that means dry mass specific gravity, we consider it like this: Gm dry equal to 1.72. Specific, we have to find out specific gravity, G equal to question mark, shrinkage limit W is equal to question mark. So let us see. We know the relation, already I have discussed in previous slide. So Gm equal to G plus E by 1 plus E. From the relation, Gm equal to, here it is given Gm value is 1.86 equal to G plus E by 1 plus E. As G is unknown, E also unknown to us. So give it equation 1. Again from the relation we know Wg equal to E into Sr. Here Sr value is 1 for fully saturated soil. So E equal to 0.36 G. So put this value in equation 1. Here we put this value of E 0.36 G here in place of E and calculate it. 1.86 equal to G plus 0.36 G by 1 plus 0.36 G. So by cross multiplication we found equation like this. Here only one unknown G. So finally after calculation G value is this much 2.69. Again another unknown is we have to find out shrinkage limit W is equal to rho W by rho D minus 1 by Z. This is the formula, where here rho D is unknown, G value is known, rho W also we know, but rho D is unknown. So we have to find out rho D, dry density. So Gm dry equal to rho D by rho W, or implies rho D equal to Gm dry into rho W. So its value is 1.72 into 1 equal to 1.72 gram per centimeter cube. So finally Ws equal to rho W by rho D minus 1 by Z. So all the values are known to us, 1 by 1.72 minus 1 by 2.69 into 100. So 20.9% or 21%. So the chapter 3 is completed, and in next lecture we will start chapter 4. Thank you.